Kirloskar from Bleetech. She is out of Bombay, and she has an absolutely revolutionary product that she and her co-founder have devised with huge impact to lots of people around the world. So would you like to demonstrate it, Nupura?
So this particular prototype, it was done for deaf dancers.
Oh,
So we are converting music into vibration.
wow.
It's connected to the smartphone with Bluetooth, and this is how I connect it. And there are preset patterns of music, like you have march, you have tango, or something like that. And it starts.
Wow. So I can feel the...
Oh, wow. So you feel the beat.
Yeah. So
All right, this is awesome. This is very cool.
So you can also change the speed according to the music. So now it's a bit slower.
Wow. Yeah.
So they get the beat, they can move and they understand it,
Yeah,
right?
so basically they don't have a common reference, like they can't hear, so there's no reference of lyrics or rhythm for them. So this converts choreography counts into vibration. So all of them have same reference, so that all of them are in synchronization.
Very nice.
So actually this is how we started, and yeah, stop it. So right now we are into development stage, so the next version will have the listening capacity. So with your phone you can record any sound you want, and your device is listening to the environment, so whenever it catches the same sound, it will vibrate and give you the indication that your doorbell is ringing or your phone is ringing.
This is really, really important. My children, every time I say, yeah, I say, Bikram, they don't hear. What can you do to solve this problem? for my children? I mean, like, literally, they're like,
So we have to get these for our kids,
Yeah.
and they should shock them.
yeah, exactly.
One of the interesting application is alarm clocks.
Yeah.
Like, I'm not a morning person, so I don't wake up to alarms. So actually this will help me as well, to
I
just-
think this is absolutely brilliant. My
Yeah.
son, 8 alarms to wake him, and he's still sleeping through it.
No, this is awesome. So tell us a little bit about what made you take the leap to be an entrepreneur.
Okay, so actually me and my co-founder Janavi, we were classmates, and we were not planning to, get into business or something like that. So our course is 4.5 years. So last 6 months we have to do an internship at a company. But we took this as our graduation project, and then we had an opportunity to participate in a workshop by MIT Sloan, MIT Global Startup Labs. So there we were introduced to startup ecosystem, and then we pitched for the first time. And after that we made our first prototype, tested this thing with one school in Pune, and the faces, the girls' faces were really lit up with the feeling of vibration, because for the first time they were feeling the music.
So you tested with deaf girls.
Yes.
Okay.
So they were really happy,
That's so cool.
and then we thought, like, this is worth putting some efforts in it.
That's awesome. And tell us a little bit, where did you grow up, and is your family supportive?
Yeah, very supportive. I'm the only child, but I wanted to take up product design as my career, but my father is an engineer, but he really never forced me to do anything what he wants me to do. So yeah, they are really supportive. In fact, the first investment that we put in this was from our dads.
Oh, that's awesome. That's really, really great. And what's the dream?
Dream for my company or dream for me?
Both.
Okay, so for the company, right now we have a small team, and in our team we have 2 deaf members as well. So we are learning sign language, and when I started learning sign language, I'm really interested now. I'm really interested in it, and I want to be a good interpreter sometime, because there are very less number of interpreters. Let's see, that's one of the dreams. And for the company, I would say, if this gets to the market and more people use it, that will be
When it gets to market,
Hmm.
every person who needs help with hearing will use it. That's our dream for you.
It will happen.
Yes.
I have a very interesting question for you.
Okay.
You mentioned some time ago that people don't take you seriously because
Right.
they look at you and said, Nupura, startup is like, Papa kidhar hai? Does that happen to you?
Lots of time. Whenever, when we meet someone, it's slightly okay. But when I'm talking on the phone, after the phone call gets over, people ask me, how old are you, 18? You sound really young. Like, I said, no, I don't mind sharing my age. I'm 23 and,
Wrong. What you got to say is, I'm actually 14 and I'm so smart.
Or I'm 45 and I use a lot of foundation. Well, we are so proud of you, and we are so
Thank you for that.
excited, and we can't wait for this to expand all over India and all over the world. All right. Bye.
Bye.
Girl power.
It's great.